The sum of the series sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity n square plus 6n plus 10 divided by 2n plus 1 the whole factorial is equal to. These are the given options. Now let us have a look at the term inside the summation. The required series are in terms of e power minus 1, etc. The expansion of e is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial, etc. So, but we have an n square plus 6n plus 10 in the numerator. So we should readjust these terms in such a way that the numerator becomes a constant. So first let us multiply and divide by 2 so that you have a 2n square plus 12n plus 20. Pull out a n common and write as n times 2n plus 1. Then you are left aside with a plus 11n plus 20, the whole expression divided by 2n plus 1 the whole factorial. Now split the terms. So half into, the first term will be, you can cancel a 2n plus 1. You get a n divided by 2n whole factorial plus 11n plus 20 divided by 2n plus 1 whole factorial. Again you can cancel, you can write 2n whole factorial as 2n minus 1 factorial into 2n. Cancel a n in the numerator and denominator. So the first term becomes 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 whole factorial. In the second term, we have a 11n plus 20. We need to make it free from n, but the denominator is a 2n plus 1 whole factorial. So we should try to bring the 2n plus 1 in the numerator. Let us split 11n plus 20 as 11n by 2n plus 1 factorial plus 20 by 2n plus 1 factorial. In this 11n by 2n plus 1 factorial, pull out 11, multiply, divide by 2, add and subtract a 1, so that the middle term looks like 11 by 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2n plus 1 the whole factorial, and the last term is plus 20 by 2n plus 1 the whole factorial. This is equal to 1 by 2 into, the first term remains as it is, the second term is 11 by 2 into, cancel a 2n plus 1 in the numerator with a 2n plus 1 in the denominator, we get a 1 by 2n whole factorial. Next term becomes minus 11 by 2 into 1 by 2n plus 1 factorial plus 20 divided by 2n plus 1 whole factorial. There are two terms with the same denominator. Take LCM, combine the two terms with the 2n plus 1 factorial in the denominator. We get this to be equal to half into 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 factorial plus 11 by 2 into 1 by 2n whole factorial plus 29 divided by 2n plus 1 the whole factorial. So summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n square plus 6n plus 10 divided by 2n plus 1 the whole factorial is equal to the summation of the term we have arrived at, where all the numerators turn out to be constants. When we put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc., the first term will have terms like 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial and so on. The second term will have terms like 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial and so on. The third term looks like 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial, etc. Let us see how to get hold of these series. We know e is equal to this, e power minus 1 is equal to this. Subtract both of them, one from the other. We get e minus e power minus 1 is 2 times 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial and so on. So e minus e power minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial, etc. Also, e minus e power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will be the sum of the terms 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial, etc. Similarly, add e and e power minus 1. We get 2 times 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial, etc. Divide by 2, shift 1 to the left side. We get e plus e power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial, etc. Now this is the series that we have simplified. So we have a half outside. My first term will be 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial, etc. So it is nothing but e minus e power minus 1 by 2 with a half outside. The second series is 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial, etc. with 11 by 2 outside. which is 11 by 2 into e plus e power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. The third series is 29 by 2 into 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial, etc., which is e minus e power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Group all the terms that contain e, group all the terms that contain e power minus 1, and group all the constants. It becomes 41 by 8e minus 19 by 8 e power minus 1 minus 10, and that is nothing but option C.